What's up, hackers? You good? And now it's Rockstar.
All right. Hello, everyone. I know you thought you saw The Last of Us, but you'll have to bear with us again for the closing ceremony. So, how was your weekend been, Peter?
I mean, opening was great, middle was hard work, today, hassle. But in the between, I think there was a bit of a dystopian atmosphere, hacking away at the hall, everybody staring at their coding screens. It was great. How about you, Mara?
Well, I did have a lot of fun people watching and mingling with participants. It was really good to see some familiar faces.
All right, this event has been truly global in attendance. We had 85 nationalities present and 57 countries of residence present. So let's give ourselves a huge round of applause for that.
And it was so many of you coding for the weekend. And we have a total of 240 projects. So another big round of applause, please. But let's get to the part that all of you have been waiting for. Let's announce some finalists who will later pitch their projects.
Quick question, Mara. I know there has been a bit of a hassle. How did we choose the top 5 in actuality?
Yes, so this time around, we couldn't do the peer reviewing, as all of you know. But you still chose the winners among 29 of them. And the top 5 that got most votes from you are the top 5 finalists.
So let's see who are the finalists of Junction 2023 main competition. The finalists are, in no particular order, Vidulvlu,
Pauli,
Huawei Memo,
Driving Change in the Blink for Safety,
and the best branding effort all year, Chad's Choice.
Congratulations to all the top 5 finalists. Get ready to pitch your projects after the partner winners have been announced. And for everyone else, don't despair. You still have a chance of winning one of the partner challenges.
Before we go into the partner challenge winners, let's take a peek at what the vibe has been here throughout the weekend. Except the top 5, please all the rest of the channel's viewers go to your challenge partner booth. To the top 5, do the same after closing ceremony. Now, let's hear who won the partner challenges. To keep everything running smoothly, we'll announce the 3rd place, the runner-up, and the winner of the partner channels challenge in a row. We only clap when we announce the winner jointly for all of them.
All right, and if you're a winner team, we're going to get in touch with you later to discuss and arrange payment for your prize, so don't worry about that. We'll start off with Pixie Ray and their challenge, Peek Behind the Eyes. The 3rd place winner is Convoluted Eye. 2nd place winner is Driving Change. And the final winner, chosen because of their unique approach, chosen to affect the final user, and because the project has a great looking UI and showcases perfectly the use of eye tracker data, is Melody.
Thank you, everybody who took part in the Pixarray Challenge, and thank you for Pixarray for partnering with Junction this year. Moving on to the Veikkaus Challenge. Next level of interactive gaming experiences. We'll do the same, first, third, second, and then the winner. The third place in Veikkaus Challenge goes to Chat's Choice. The second place in Veikkaus Challenge goes to, now I have to peek, Plinkomania. And the winner of Veikkaus Challenge is, because they clearly demonstrated web GPU advantages over the current state of art, and because they utilized web GPU for both computing and rendering and web workers as well, with a solid presentation and video, the winner of Veikkaus Challenge is N-Body Simulator. Thank you for everybody participating in the Veikkaus Challenge, and thank you, Veikkaus, for being with us for this year's hackathon.
Next up, we have Outokumpu with their challenge, Sustainable Generative AI Assistant for Insights. Again, third, second, and first place. The third place winner is Ines. Second place winner is 4Bus+1. And the winner, chosen because this team came up with an innovative and easy approach to trustworthiness, as well as truly intuitive for the user, but also a very sound logic that you can dig into easily. And also did a great job in addressing all the key sustainability criterion and has been very impressive for the short amount of time that they used to create the solution, is Riley. Fantastic work. And thank you, Outokumpu, for the challenge, and thank you for everyone that participated to the challenge.
Next up, we'll cover the two Aalto University challenges. Both of them only have one winner, and we'll clap at them right away. So, the winner of Resource Revolution Now was chosen because the solution greatly impacts educating people about critical raw materials in their devices. It was very nice that it also can show where to recycle and how to get the materials there. The Aalto University team really believed that the gamification element can motivate users to return to the solution. And also, the idea of using widely available platforms such as Instagram helps in the adoption. So, the winner of Aalto University Resource Revolution Now is Remask IT. Congratulations to Remask IT, and moving on to the other Aalto challenge, Energy Revolution Now. The winner of this challenge was chosen because their solution addresses the challenge of storing excess summer electricity by converting it to hydrogen. The groundbreaking concept is very flexible for homeowners and industrials alike in the winter, offering substantial cost savings. While there are safety concerns, the team supports the idea with detailed calculations and emphasizing its economic and environmental impact. The Aalto University team believes that its potential has significant scalability within it. So, the winner of Energy Revolution Now, Aalto University Challenge, is electricity overflow captured in hydrogen storage. Give them a huge round of applause. Really having to channel my inner Eminem with this lyrics here. Thank you, Aalto University, for partnering with Junction, and thank you for everybody who took part in the Aalto challenges.
Next up, we have Tietoevry with their challenge, Pain Management, Safer Solutions. We once again have third place, second place, and a winner. Third place is Zen Steps. Second place goes to Biohackery. And then the winner, the winning concept wowed with its innovative approach, boasting a well-scoped AI-powered speech-to-text chat AI. The exceptional user interface and overall presentation showcased a keen understanding of design aesthetics. Furthermore, the project demonstrated excellence in leveraging current technologies, notably using an OpenAI assistant trained on medical data related to chronic pain, elevating its impact and relevance. So without further ado,
Drumroll,
the winner
please.
is Helia. Congratulations to the team, and thank you, Tieto Evry, for the challenge, as well as thank you for everyone that picked this challenge.
Last but definitely not least, we have the Huawei Tech Arena Sense the Motion Challenge on the potential of wearables to improve health and fitness. The third place in this challenge goes to Vital. The second place in this challenge goes to JMP Junior Movement Platform. And the winner of the Huawei Tech Arena Challenge, chosen because their innovative, engaging solution that shows potential to be a viral hit, is, drumroll please, Bidulai. And we have proper celebrations in the audience. Congratulations. That was it for the partner challenges. Now it's time to move for the top 5 pitches.
That's right. We're finally going to hear the pitches, and it's showtime for everyone in here in the studio. So we will hear 5 pitches from the teams competing for the main prize, which I'll remind all of you, it's 20,000 euros. Remember to pay close attention, as you will be voting for your favorite at the end.
First up, we have Team Vidalai. Can you please come up here? Can you please tell your name to the audience?
Widily.
Oh.
Yeah, it's...
Is it a one-man team?
No. Like you... So
I mean your name.
Yeah, my name is Emils. So we are Team Widily. We are 3 Latvian guy and 1 Finnish guy.
That's brilliant. Okay, the rules are very simple. You have 3 minutes to pitch. You can see it there. Yep. We're going to give you your first slide. You have the clicker. As soon as you start clicking, your time starts. All right? We start from silence and clap for him at the end. Let's go.
So we are Team Widily. We want the world to move, so let's move on. So there are a few problems currently in the world. First is the lack of movement. So the world is not moving. The child obsessity with screens is growing rapidly. The load on the health industry is also massive. And the mental and health issues are just growing day by day. Our research has shown that short media content apps like TikTok, for example, the biggest user base is actually young children. Same goes with the Snapchat. It's a bit different, but still very young people. So what we need to do to fix this problem is target the young ones. We should start from them. So they like to play games, they're screen obsessed, and they like to have fun while doing it. So the challenges for us to achieve are, we should firstly encourage people to move. We should make it accessible for anyone without any extra hardware. For example, you just need a phone. 90% of children have phones, access to phones. And we also need to fix mental and health issues during this. So we introduce you Widily. It's a social media platform that allows you to do daily challenges that encourage you to move. You can also see the feed from your friends or the whole world. You can compete against them. And you can also have like a leaderboard, etc. So it all starts with an app. So similar to Be Real, you get a notification. So there's a daily challenge. You open the app, and for order to see actually something in the app, it starts with the daily challenge. You must complete it. It goes like this. There's maybe a dance moves or yoga poses or whatever, and you need to strictly replicate it. So after that, you are given a score, and from there on, you can get on the leaderboard, see others, how others are doing, other challenges as well. So, and it's not limited only to dance. You can do whatever, like very movement-based. So what's actually going on is that from the mobile app, we're sending the video to our Widely servers where AI takes over and analyzes your movement. The person is being created as a stickman from 17 joints. We calculate, like compare the videos, analyze, we calculate the Manhattan distance from your and the original, eventually giving you a score. And then the user gets it back and he can tell his friends that he was the best or better than them. So there's this fun factor to compete, actually, play some games. There can be like any challenges there. It's not only limited, as I said. So this is us, Team Widely, and we want the world to move starting from a young age. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Great pitch. Next one coming up is Team Pauly. All right, and what is your name?
Hi, Mara. My name is Calvin.
All right, and are you ready to pitch?
Certainly.
Yeah, all right. You have 3 minutes. Time starts when you start speaking, and you have full control. Good luck with your pitch.
Thank you. Our brains feel foggy. And is it a wonder, since we have neglected for the past few days our number one non-renewable resource, our body? And it's not that we don't do exercise because we don't know. It is because it is so hard to start. That is why we found that it's really important that you build the habit from a young age. And from a young age, the time it takes you to start has to be rapid. Over the weekend, we built a personal companion called Pauly. You create Pauly by so simply as you just take a selfie and we send it, analyze it, and then we make a custom Pauly for you based on your facial features and your style. And then you are able to play with Pauly. As you develop Pauly by only developing yourself, this is something that is so native, so easy to use. It is just simply, I mean, like most of you have tried it. Most of you have played around and done the QR challenges. We have personal campaigns. So when you have Pauly, you develop it, it adopts according to what you are doing. If you run a lot, we auto-detect and Pauly develops. We also have challenges. You can do the challenges and collect rare equipment. You can collect rare skins on the journey, and you can truly grow together. So you can see your Pauly just like yourself, just like any normal person, going from a beginner to something that's buff. And we really do want to have it fun. And with my team, we really had a blast this Junction. It was so nice to see how we got to iterate on it and we got to build on it. And we got some great feedback on how to get young people to play. We even get some kids to play it. When we want to conquer the challenges with Pauly, we all know that social aspect is really important. Some people go to compete, but we think, especially for kids, it's more important to bring them together. We want to be together when we do activities. And hence with Pauly, you do have a scoreboard, you do have rewards, but it's more about bringing people together. Just like when we were doing our challenges and having new interactions when people were teaming up to compete. Please now, most of you have seen our video, but I can strongly recommend, just look it up. We built it with the facial recognition, we built it with the levels, we have QR codes, we have floor is lower games and everything. It's live right now, and most of you maybe have even seen it. I strongly urge you, since even if you are in our top 10, I know it's not the Junction prize, but we give you Christmas presents, for real. All right. Thank you, guys. That is Pauly. Go try it out.
Make Calvin feel like a rock star. Thank you. That's awesome. Moving on. Thank you, Calvin. Next up, we have Huawei Memo. Can we get the picture on here? Please make him feel like a rock star. What's your name, sir?
Carlo.
Oh, Carlo, are you ready to pitch for this live studio audience and the 1,000 people behind the camera?
Hi.
All right. When I give you your first try, the time starts when you start speaking. Good luck.
Thanks you. Well, hi everyone. My name is Carlo, part of Cool Team. And together we developed Mimo, which is part of the Junction 2023 Huawei Sense of the Motion Challenge. And Mimo is a game, an experience, and a way to grow. But what problem are we solving? Well, the sedentary life after COVID happened on the youth increased by 3 hours a day. So a lack of physical activity also leads to a poor healthy lifestyle and mental health issues as well. So how are we solving it? Well, we built a storyline that is interesting for people to follow. So darkness is threatening Mimo world, and the more you move, the brighter it becomes. So Mimo is more than a game. I don't know if you ever played a game which you took care of a digital character. Well, this digital character, in this case, your Mimo, is yourself. So if you are sleepy, if you don't sleep enough, if you don't move enough, well, your Mimo will represent that. And well, you can express yourself. We can take care of yourself by doing challenges. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. And you can keep track of your mood too. We're going to talk about that a little bit later too. And well, the most important part in Mimo is the Mimo world, which is your part of a community. And what makes us different? Well, Mimo world and the community behind it. So what happened if your Mimo represents you, and you can see your friends' mood too? And well, what if their mood is they're sad or they're stressed too? Well, you could message them and tell them, how are you? Simple like as that. What if the challenges are not only moving a little bit, because our mental health is also important, and usually people feel lonely too. Well, one important feature in Mimo world is the Mimo mood, which is a way you can express yourself. And you can keep track of your mood and update it using a Huawei Kids 4 Pro device. And well, we pretend the model with 35K examples, and currently we support 7 different moods, including happiness, angry, or so on. Well, this is the existing Huawei Kids 4 Pro, and it has a built-in camera. And as you can see, currently it supports video calls. But what if we could add a mood update that could allow you to update your Mimo mood and show that you're happy or show that you're sad or you're angry too? So it automatically can sync when the device is paired to.
And your time is up. Thank you very much. You can bring the microphone there. Yeah, thank you very much. That was super cute. All right. Then the next team coming up is driving change in the blink for safety. Yeah, round of applause, please. Hello,
Hello.
hi. What's your name?
I'm Alex.
All right, nice to meet you. And
Nice to meet you.
rules are the same. You have 3 minutes, and as soon as you start speaking, the timer starts counting down. So have fun pitching and good luck.
Thank you. I will have fun. All right. Imagine this. You're driving along the road, which you always drive along. You're going to work, you're going to school, you're going somewhere. And you start thinking, hey, I haven't actually thought about anything for the past couple of minutes. I've been totally zoned out. Now, we today, my team and me, we've been taking a look behind the eyes and making use of Pixie race data to actually unveil some insights. So, we really started off by identifying this one huge problem, which is distracted and fatigued driving. And our research shows that mind-wandering and fatigue account for up to 24% of all crashes which happen on the roads. This is quite a large issue, quite a societal scale, I would say. And we really wanted to tackle this and to fix this problem once and for all. So, what did we do? Well, we started thinking about ourselves. Introspection, the daily commute to our boring jobs. Well, no, they're actually quite fun. But the commute can be quite the bore. And really, we started looking at this data and what it shows about the eyes and especially mind wandering. We found some great research, which we cross-referenced and created data analysis algorithms, which can show when your mind wanders and when you are fatigued. Well, this is exactly what I feared would happen. The video, okay, it will show actually. So here we see a real-time demonstration of what our algorithm can do. We see the driver and we see the red spaces. The red spaces are when we have identified mind wandering. As you can see, he now snaps out of it, as we usually do. We've also mapped these incidents of mind wandering and fatigue, and we can create and give you personalized insights into your commute, showing you where your mind slipped up, where you should be more focused. This map, which we show here, we have many different modes. We can show you each route specifically, and we can also show you a heat map of all your cumulative data thus far and where you've driven, showing you where you slip up the most and where you should pay more attention. And really, what do we believe that we can do? We believe that we could, in Finland, annualized, prevent 100 accidents and up to 70 deaths per year. I want to end this off by telling you to stay safe, stay focused, and to stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely brilliant. And next up, I think we have our final pitch coming up. It's Chad with Chad's Choice. Give him a very, very warm welcome to the stage.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name? Not Chad?
No, not really. I'm Wong.
Okay. Same rules, 3 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes, totally.
Let's go.
Well, hi everyone. It's I'm I'm one of the member of our team. Actually, I prefer our team name better than this project name. Our team name is To the Moon, and this name was chosen actually by my teammate, and he said that it's a handsome young man, and yeah. So, but I am just a programmer. All I care about is data, its algorithm, and its programming. So let's get into it. Here is a chart. Maybe you can't see it very clearly, so I will just skip it. Yeah, that's our final slide. Don't worry. So here is what we did in our project. What you see here, you might wonder, it's not the GIF because we don't have much time to do it, but what you see here is a prototype which you can manipulate thousands or even millions of particles in the web application. Imagine that. That's really amazing. Because you can see from the left, we utilize the CPU as in the conventional way. The frame rate would drop if the web application calculates millions of particles at the same time, but with this web GPU API, we can just harness a little bit of the GPU power to get a very great performance for our web application. So if you ask me what I see from our project, we see potential and we see the future. So maybe it's a chat choice for our future game. Imagine you can build a game, build a 3A game, build a Call of Duty from the web application. You can just access it from your browser. That was amazing. So I know there are so many great applications, great projects in this event that better than us, but for any reason you chose our team, whatever it's it's because of the name or it's because of our concept. I don't mind any of them. Anyway, thank you so much for your like. We will keep on. We will work on our project in the future, and we will create more potential. We will create more incredible work from this prototype. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and great job, all of the pitchers. Pitching is hard to master, and all of you did great. But now it's the final crunch. So we need to vote for the overall winner of Junction 2023. So during the following 10 minutes, all of you get to vote for the project that you think deserves to win individually. So the team that gets the most votes will be our champion and win 20,000 euros.
The voting is done on Junction Platform's event dashboard. The QR code here on the screen will take you there. To refresh your memory, we also have a short description of all the finalist projects on the voting page below the list of finalists. So the voting starts now. 1 minute left. If you still haven't voted, please push your votes through now. Let's try to do something. You know how the numbers count down there? So I'm gonna count down, and you're gonna count down with me from 10, okay? Good articulation, loudly. Let's see how it goes. And at 0, we go, woo! Okay? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The voting has ended. Next, our data team is going to go through the votes and we'll be announcing the winner very, very shortly. It's a good time to make a final thank you for all of our experienced partners. So I'd like to take this moment to extend our gratitude, and I hope also yours, to all of our experience and production partners. So they enable the Junction to be the hackathon that it is, the experience that it is. So let's give them a big, big thank you.
All right, folks, the time is up, and I would like to find out the winner of Junction 2023, and I think so do you. Right? Right, Peter?
I mean, what do you expect?
Yes, it has been an intense 43 hours to be specific. And many of you didn't get to sleep much, so we would like to thank everyone that sacrificed their weekend to solve all of those awesome challenges. And also, we would like to thank all of the partners for bringing them up and bringing important and interesting challenges for all of you to solve.
To announce the winner, let's welcome our main prize sponsors here on this stage. Let's hear it for Makiviisi and Pixarray.
Yeah, super happy to be here. I'm from Makiviisi. We are a Nordic seed stage fund investing into the brightest minds. We usually invest into deep tech and brand-driven startups. So if you're cooking up something, let us know. And super happy to be here and see all the projects. And even if you didn't win, I'm sure you had a good weekend. So couldn't be happier to give out the main prize.
Hi, I'm Harri Lehmoskallio. I'm the lead UX designer at Pixarray. As a first-time sort of participant and especially the challenge provider partner, it's been amazing to see all of the teams tackling these amazing challenges, putting in their hearts and minds into the actual work, and then delivering every sort of project that you guys have done. Well done. I'm actually super proud of all of you guys.
Let's give them a big hand. And I think we have our main prize slowly coming to the stage there with the big, big check. As Mara told me to say, it's not check.
Yeah, it's check.
Check. Come on,
All right,
get
Ida,
in here.
Come along. All right. And the winner of Junction 2023 is...
Drum roll, please.
Driving Change.
Driving Change. Get on stage, get on stage.
Come down.
Let's keep clapping for Driving Change. Make them feel like the rock stars they are. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Let's hear it for them one more time. winners as well. One more time. Thank you.
All right. Thank
We'll
you very
ask you a
much.
couple of questions now
Yes.
for like a post-win interview.
Yes, and thank you very much, Makivisi and Pixie Ray, for coming up.
All right. You have a microphone right there. Let's have the first question. It's been a long week, and how do you feel right now?
Excited, but tired.
Out of you four, who slept the least?
One of you guys.
Yeah, it would be me or Johannes.
Mara, help me out here. I have
That's-
stupid questions.
That's crazy, but I want to know, what are you going to do with the 20,000 euros now that you won it?
Go for a pint.
Sounds like a plan. Since you didn't say it on the mic, I'm going to repeat it. He said, go for a pint. So, yeah. Sounds great.
Or I offered to buy the other pitchers a pint as well. So.
Let's give that a big round of
Yes.
applause.
Yeah, all right. How very generous of you. But anyway, thank you very much. And once again, congratulations from all of us and the Junction team. And yeah, congratulations. Another round of applause, please.
And you can congratulations, guys. Very great job. It's yours.
Yes, bring
They
it
asked
home.
if it's theirs. Like, come on, guys. You just won a hackathon with 1,500 participants.
You can share custody of the
course.
check. Yeah.
All right, folks. That's all we have for you today for this weekend. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you for all our partners. Thank you all experienced partners. And let's get the organizing team here on stage to show their faces. Give them a huge, huge round of applause.